Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We've been requested by a number of individuals to show the current extent of the work that's been done on this masjid, that is Uloom Siddiqia Masjid in Sheffield. So we thought we'll do a quick tour as to what we've done and inshallah what's planned. So you'll be able to see here the old shoe area has been completely demolished and the wudu area has been demolished also. The intention is to build a side extension to the main building and to have staircase going down into the wudu area, which is now underneath the building. And a bit further on you should be able to see a bit of the new extension which has been built, but inshallah we'll show you inside. So we're just going through the main building entrance. So this used to be the old hall, or part of the old hall. This inshallah will become the lobby area. The kitchen there, the wall's been put through and there should be a staircase going up, and that ceiling will also be coming out to become part of the lobby area inshallah. So hopefully what should happen is this part of the ceiling will come out, and then upstairs there should be a glass panel going across, so that anyone on the second floor can look into the lobby area. This used to be the area where the adhan used to take place, and it's also the fire exit access, the access to the old wudu area and the upstairs hall, which again we'll show you in a short while. This used to be the old bench area for students, so they used to pick up the benches and go straight into the hall through those entrances. Again, this is going to become the wudu area inshallah. So this is the temporary entrance for the wudu area, the new wudu area. That's going to be covered up, and that is going to be relocated inshallah to just below the new staircase, which is going to be inserted there. So what's going to happen is there should be a staircase going down to the wudu area and a staircase going up to the new hall area inshallah. We're just walking through the old hall. And as you can see, the mirror has been taken out. So this is the new extension, and then this old wall is also going to be taken out and pushed to the wudu area boundary. That will be the entrance, or the staircase to the rear entrance. So we should hopefully inshallah gain that much additional space when that wall's pushed back to make it a one larger hall. Just to give you 360. So inshallah we'll make our way upstairs now. This is the old staircase for the upstairs hall, and that's going to be demolished also. So this is the upstairs hall. Part of the floor is going to be taken out to cater for the new lobby area to make it more spacious, and then this is going to be covered by a wall with a glass screen looking down. Behind there is the old wall, which is going to be put through to cater for the new extension. خير الخلق وأحلاها
الله على طه خير الخلق وأحلاها صلى الله على طه خير الخلق وأحلاها صلى الله على طه خير الخلق وأحلاها صلى الله على طه.
So that's the new extension that's been built. New roof will inshallah be built, and then this is all going to be connected to the old hall upstairs, with that wall being put through inshallah. This is the old wudu area, which will form part of the new hall downstairs, and then upstairs there will be a new kitchen and a wudu area fitted. That is the fire entrance exit. And this is just inside the new extension, with another entrance there. This hopefully inshallah will become one long hall upstairs also. So we'll just quickly show you the wudu area downstairs that's been created inshallah. So as we mentioned, the new entrance for the new wudu area is going to be down here, but we'll just quickly go through the temporary entrance to show you what's currently been done. So this is the wudu area downstairs that's been built, with a few cubicles, and we've also invested in wudu mate to make it easier for individuals to do wudu inshallah. There should be a few more wudu mate that are inserted, but hopefully inshallah there should be a staircase coming down from here. So the current extent of the work is that we will need to dig down into the ground to get into the wudu area, which we're still organising and trying to arrange inshallah. خير الخلق وأحلاها
اغفر رب لناظمها والأحباب وقائلها ولكاتبها وسامعها عند الموت يرى طه صلى الله على طه خير الخلق وأحلاها 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 على طه خير الخلق وأحلاها.